ओके, आणि एक इशू म्हणल्यार विजय सरदेसाईन स्टेटमेंट केला की दिगंबर कामत नेवर सेड मी जुडास बट युरी डीड म्हणून. सो
See, as I said, I already forgot about it. When I commented, the comment was taken on Ketan Batikar's nomination. I have said whatever I have said on the floor of the house. I have not said it outside. I said it also. Maka एक सांगपाक सोदता की the sentiment of the people was there was an assembly that was being curtailed and people know what happened during that particular episode. Our high command also spoke about it and I do not want to make any sort of episodes. No comments on that particular thing. The bigger picture is that this is not a civil war. This is a war reality against the BJP and everyone has to unite. There is no, I don't have any differences. If you see 4 or almost 4.5 years as leader of opposition or 4 years as leader of opposition, I have taken everyone along. This was the last day during curtailing of the assembly. The assembly is the temple of democracy. That is where we have to put, the bill was supposed to be put, enough is enough. Sale of land Goa is being sold. We are fighting there. And then if there is a proposal to curtail the assembly, and I do not want to comment anything more on that. We as legislatures, that was the temple of democracy. We had to work. Anyway, said and done. I believe at that particular time I said that I have forgotten whatever I said. It is up for the people to see and people to decide. During my tenure as leader of opposition, it is not only the Congress party being the principal opposition, but I सगळ्या एकठांय गेले. सगळे every session. Even last session we were together. All were fighting against it. See, you can just म्हाका दिसता allianceच्या नावान, in the name of alliance, there is time for alliance. There is time for all these decisions, and these decisions our party and the high command will take the appropriate decision. Today my duty is to make sure we unite. I have absolutely no differences to take everyone along.